It wasn't Da Vinci, it wasn't the Mona Lisa. It was these four guys that convinced these celebrities to spend this much money on this art. The kids are calling it NFTs. And people around the world are paying millions to have a cool, trendy profile picture. But what blows my mind is, why are already famous celebrities spending millions to change their profile pictures to cartoon monkeys? It all started with a single tweet. The day is April 29th, 2021. An NFT collector named Space Cowboy sends out a tweet asking to buy some Space Cowboy themed art. 11 hours later, a then unknown account named Bored Ape Yacht Club replies with this image of a Space Cowboy ape. Exactly 13 minutes later, Space Cowboy sends out another tweet. In this tweet, he mentions he was so impressed he bought another one for $200. This set off a chain reaction on Twitter. Jimmy Eat likes the monkeys so much, he bought 100 of them. Another user, Pranksy, goes one further and buys 250 Bored Apes. Less than 2 hours after Pranksy's tweet, Bored Ape Yacht Club sold out 10,000 apes at a total price of $2.8 million. What? I mean, the art is quirky and kinda cool, but let's be real. It's also kinda tacky. Are they really worth $200 a picture? Why did so many people buy so many of these JPEGs at $200 each? And who is Bored Ape Yacht Club? For this, we will rewind back a little more into the story of the four guys that created BAYC. They go by the names Gordon Goner, Garga, Sass, and Emperor Tomato Ketchup. I'm not making this up. These guys just wanted to create art together. But not like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Raphael, or Donatello. No, instead, they saw themselves as the Ninja Turtles that go by the same names. They didn't want to create art that would be at fancy galleries, but instead the kind that would be graffiti on a bar bathroom wall. They didn't want it to be a fancy bar either, but instead the kind where Gordon and Garga first met each other. A dark, dingy dive bar. But it couldn't be a bar that anyone could walk into. If anyone could walk into the bar, they would mess up their bathroom art. This bar had to be exclusive, one where only like-minded people were invited. Think of it as a members-only club. A club for other punk kids like themselves to come in and draw dicks on the walls together. How could they make this happen? This is where the idea of NFTs happened. NFTs have a unique digital signature that could be in any form. It could be an audio file, a video you shot on your phone, a document you want to share, or a JPEG image. Boom! The idea clicked and Gordon, Garga, Sass and Ketchup came up with the concept of making 10,000 entry passes to this club. What's more, this isn't just a metaphorical club with a metaphorical bathroom wall. This art board actually exists where club members create art every day together. There are real yacht parties where club members from around the world come to meet and party with each other. Most members were people that invested in crypto really early, and a lot of them are now millionaires. As far as networking events go, it doesn't get crazier than this. In a world of selling art as NFTs, Bored Ape Yacht Club added incentive and real-world value to buying NFTs. They call this utility, and utility changed the way people used NFTs forever. How many of your friends and family would pay money to buy digital art? I know, not many. But a lot of people do pay money for membership to join clubs every day. It could be a country club, a golf club, or even your local gym. And by wearing the country club's cap or the gym's t-shirt, we let other people know that we are a part of an exclusive club. We do this to increase our status as an exclusive member of a posh club, or simply because we are proud to be part of a community. We might even do this so it's easy to identify and meet someone from our club on the streets. The same way, having a Bored Ape as a profile picture shows the world that you're part of this exclusive club. A club of innovators and early investors of a new and exciting technology and the world of crypto and NFTs. It also makes it a lot easier to meet like-minded people on the internet. So yes, the money is crazy and the art is tacky. But to these people and these celebrities, it isn't about impressing the outside world. It's about community, about finding their tribe, finding the kind of people they want to hang out and draw dicks on the wall with. Whether you follow an influencer on Instagram, a content creator on YouTube, or are part of a Facebook group, we are all part of a community in some way. And whether we agree with the idea or not, this community started with 4 guys wanting to draw graffiti together. And now celebrities are paying millions to take their own faces off their social media to replace it with cartoon monkeys. And that is the amazing power of community. Turns out, this is not a story about celebrities or NFTs. This is not even a story of the 4 guys that came up with the idea of these bored apes. This is a story about us, about people, and our need for belonging, about our need for connecting with other people that may not look like us but share our common interests. Because as it turns out, looks can be changed, but our personalities are what define us. This is a story about belonging, a story about community.